Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you need to pay your Boost mobile bill but don't want to log into your account, you might think it's not possible, but actually, Boost Mobile offers a guest pay option that lets you make a payment quickly without signing in. This is really useful if you forgot your password, don't have access to your account right now, or you're paying someone else's bill. Many users get confused because the option isn't directly inside the app dashboard and is usually accessed through a separate payment page. The good thing is that once you know where to go, you can complete your payment in just a few simple steps without any login required. Try these. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the Boost Mobile Guest Pay page. Step 2. Enter the phone number or account number you want to pay for. Step 3. Verify the account details shown on the screen. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Step 5. Enter payment details and confirm the amount. Step 6. Submit payment and save the confirmation receipt.